Hi friends, good morning from Samved School. Myself Eji sir. I welcome all of you. Today we are going to start another new topic. The topic is electron movement in organic compound. Electron movement in organic compound. What is the base behind this topic? Kindly concentrate on today's video. When any covalent bond is formed between two atoms, there must be sharing of one electron between that two atoms which are forming covalent bond. If there are two bonds, then there will be sharing of two electron of each element, and if there is one covalent bond, then there will be one electron of each element. When organic reaction is done, old bond is broken and new bond is formed. For that, bond transfer from original atom to new atom. Bond means it is the electron. If bond is transferred, it means electron is transferred. Transferation of electron is to be said movement of electron in organic compound. One bond means two electron. So electron transferation may be shown by curved arrow. If two electron is transferred, then full curved arrow, and if one electron is transferred, then half-headed curved arrow. That is to be said fish hook. From where curve is started, electron is starting from there, and where arrow is ending means placement of electron is there where ends the arrow. So starting point is the tail of arrow and ending of electron means transferation of electron is the head of arrow. So we are having simple example. That example is simply given how to transfer the bonds electron from pi bond to adjacent bond and pi bond to adjacent atom and adjacent atom to adjacent bond. Suppose we are having double bond over here. So bond electron or bond will start from here and ends over here. So this bond will transfer from here to here. So here will be single bond and here will be double bond. Clear? This is to be said from pi bond to adjacent bond position. This is pi bond and this is adjacent bond position. So pi bond to adjacent bond position. This is the transformation or movement of electron. Second one, bond will transfer to adjacent atom. So one bond having two electrons, so this bond will transfer over here. It means here will be two electrons, so here will remain one bond, here will remain one bond. So pi simple one bond as it is, this bond having two electrons is transfer over here, this one bond as it is. It means from pi bond to adjacent atom, pi bond adjacent atom to electron pass or transfer. Two electron will transfer to adjacent bond. So here will be two electron, here is single bond. These two electron will convert into bond. So here will be double bond. Here will be as it is single bond. So as it is single bond, this electron is transfer over here. So here is single bond to double bond. Clear? From atom to adjacent bond position. This is atom and this is adjacent bond position. This is the movement of electron direct bond transfer to bond, not necessary to show the electron. If bond is transferring to atom, then you must show 2 electron, because each bond containing 2 electron, each covalent bond containing 2 electrons. So this is very simple explanation that you have understood. Here the example is hydroxide and this is methyl bromide. Hydroxide is transferred to methyl, so carbon and hydroxide will form bond and bromine will release from here with bonds electron. So bromine having 6 to 8 electron and hydroxide ion oxygen forming bond with carbon. So here is 6 electron. When bond is formed, oxygen and carbon having bond, you can display like this. Here is the single bond between carbon and oxygen. So one bond require 2 electron. So here must be remaining 4 electron. So one bond, here 2 electron will form bond with carbon. So oxygen having 6 electron. Now oxygen's 2 electron has taken part to form bond with carbon. So now oxygen having 4 electron. In methyl chloride, here is single bond. So one electron will taken by carbon, one electron will be taken by chlorine. So here the bond is, it is half headed curved arrow, and here is the full arrow, means 2 electron transfer to carbon. Here is 1 electron transfer to carbon and 1 electron transfer to chlorine. So it is free radical, and here is the total 2 electron transfer. So here is forming covalent bond. Here is the bonds electron transfer to 1 which was the shared electron of carbon and chlorine. This is the electronic transferation to atom. Single electron transfer, then it is free radical, and double bond transfer means it is double electron transfer, means it is the forming the new bond. So very simple topic you have studied. This is simple movement of electron from bond to adjacent bond or bond to adjacent atom. So kindly watch, kindly revise my video and send me homework one time. Thank you very much.